Hello everyone, this is Pecky Foodie. Today's menu will be pineapple fried rice. It's a very fun dish to prepare, but more importantly, it tastes good. Let's go cooking! Here's the ingredients you will need. Finely chop the green onions. Devein the prawns. Add in the condiments and mix them up. Then set them aside. Cut the chicken into small pieces. Cut the pineapple almost halfway through, just at the side of the leaves. Cut the sides of the pineapple to form a rectangular shape. Cut them into cubes and use a fork or spoon to take the pineapples out. Cut the pineapples into smaller pieces. You may retain the pineapple juice to drink or drizzle on the rice later. That's all for the preparation, and the cooking begins. On a hot wok, add in 1 cup of oil. Add in the prawns and cook till 80% done. Maintain the fire at high throughout the cooking. Remove the prawns. If the oil is less than half cup of oil, add in 1 tablespoon of oil. Add in garlic and fry for a while, then add in the shallots. When the fragrance is out, add in the chicken. When it's half cooked, add in the mixed veggies. Cook for around 1 minute, then shift them to the side. Add the beaten eggs to the center. Stir fry the egg until half cooked, and then add in the rice. Your arm exercise will start now, as you will be stirring non-stop. Break the rice apart to prevent them from sticking together. You want your rice to be as separated as possible. Keep stirring until the rice is very dry. Add in all the condiments for the rice. Mix them really well. Add in the pineapples and prawns. Cook the rice until as dry as possible. Almost done here. Turn off the fire and add in the green onions. Toss them well and give it a taste. Add some roasted cashew nuts for some crunchy taste. And it's done! That's it! Thank you very much for watching our video. Do click like if you like the video. Let us know what food you like to see in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Cheers!